Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix Microsoft Store error. This app will not work on your device in Windows. Getting a Microsoft Store error message, this app will not work on your device, can be a very frustrating experience. The problems occur when the application is not compatible with the device or can be due to outdated hardware or software. Fortunately, there are solutions to fix it, which will be discussed in this video. So, let's dive in and fix the Microsoft Store error message to ensure a seamless app installation experience in Windows. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. The first solution is to run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Running Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter helps identify and resolve Microsoft Store related issues and its apps. The troubleshooter will scan your computer for issues and apply appropriate fixes if any issues are found. To do this, press Windows or the Start button at the lower left. Then click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. At Settings Windows, click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot at the left pane. Click Additional Troubleshooters. Scroll down and click Windows Store Apps. Click Run the Troubleshooter tab. A prompt message appears. If the UAC account has been turned off, you can either enable or skip the step. Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter will now search for problems. If problems are detected, it will show potential fixes. If there are no problems detected, close the troubleshooter window. Now check if the Microsoft Store error message is fixed. If not, proceed to the next solution. The next solution is to run SFC scan. SFC, or System File Checker, scans your computer for corrupt system files and bugs that may be the culprit for error messages to appear on the Microsoft Store. To do this, type the command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Then click Run as administrator from the drop-down menu. At the command prompt window, type the command SFC scan now and press Enter. Wait for SFC scan to complete. Next, restart the computer. Once the computer completely reboots, check if the Microsoft Store error message is fixed. If not, proceed to the next solution. The next solution is to update Windows. Updating Windows can help fix corrupted files by replacing the damaged system files with updated and working versions. New system files will be downloaded and installed to help fix issues caused by corrupt files on your computer and could help resolve Microsoft Store error messages. First, press the Windows key or Start button, then click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Now select Update and Security. Then click the Check for Updates tab. Windows will now search for updates. If there is an available update, click Download and Install, and then wait for the update process to finish. Once finished, you can now restart your computer. Now check if the Microsoft Store error message is fixed. If not, proceed to the next solution. The next solution is to update the Microsoft Store. Updating the Microsoft Store app ensures you are using the latest version of the app and can help in resolving compatibility issues as a result of successfully installing an application. To do this, open the Microsoft Store app. Then click on the Library tab located at the lower left. Next, click the Get Updates tab. Wait for the process to complete. If there is an available update, click Update or select Update All if there is more than one app available. Wait for the update process to complete. Next, restart the computer. Now check if the Microsoft Store error message is fixed. If not, proceed to the next solution. Next is to clear Microsoft Store cache. Clearing the Microsoft Store cache ensures that the Store app is free from any lingering cache issues, enabling successful app installations and preventing compatibility errors on your Windows device. To do this, press Windows key plus R keys to open the Run dialog box. At the Run dialog box, type WSR reset.x and press Enter. After the process is complete, we recommend installing the application again. Now check if the Microsoft Store error message is fixed. If not, proceed to the next solution. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.